This week's episode, we will be assembling the Tesla Model 3 that was repaired in last week's video. We will start by installing the left roof molding, body weather strips, and left B-pillar applique. Next, we will start assembling our left front door. The door glass is now installed, but the two bolts will not be tightened fully as the door glass needs to be adjusted to fit evenly to the B-pillar applique first. Final adjustments are now made to the front left door glass. The door trim panel is now installed. We will now install our crush tube, fender bracket, front rad support, and connect all the wiring. The front rebar will now be installed and the airbag sensors will be plugged in. We will now be hanging the right front door. It is now time to start assembling the right front door. Before we do the final adjustments to the right front door glass, we will install the right body side molding, body weather strips, and B-pillar applique. Now it is time to do our final adjustments to the right front door glass. It is time to install the left front fender. The new hood is installed with adjustments made to fit the left fender. Cavity wax is sprayed where the repairs were completed. Next, I'll be installing the right front fender. The right headlight and fender liner are now installed on the vehicle. The left headlight and fender liner are now installed. The front bumper is now installed on the vehicle and final adjustments are made to fit the hood. The lower and side fasteners are now installed on the bumper. The new hood adhesive emblem is now installed. This vehicle is now complete. Subscribe and stay tuned for new videos posted every Friday.